Hello, everyone. This is Doran Davis, your local premier realtor, and welcome to my Palm Coast, Florida Realtor YouTube channel. Today, we're doing a walkthrough of a Meritage home. This is the Orchid model. This Meritage home is in Colbert Landings in Palm Coast, Florida. It's 4 bedrooms, 3 bath, 2-car garage, 2,193 square feet. Has the hardy board shingles and parcel stone veneer. As you go into this home, you notice it has the floor is a tile, looks like wood, but it's actually included. And you see this flex room. This is a bonus and is included in this Orchid model. As we go through, we're going to come right into the living room. So you notice on the left, we have the living room. On the right, we have the kitchen. Included are the stainless steel appliances. You'll see the the granite countertops. Those are included. And of course, the other things you see here are not. This is just part of the model. Gives you an idea what it can look like. It goes right outside, and you can see your patio or lanai. Here's another view of the expansive area of your living room. Here is decorated, just gives you an idea how you can decorate it yourself. But the blinds that will be in the windows, they will be included. So that is something that you can have peace of mind. Come into the home and all you have to do is decorate it. Here's another thing to let you know how energy efficient the home is. We're going to show you a little bit about that as we go forward. Here's just one of the bedrooms. This is decorated as an office. Is when you first come in the home, this is the one that is the first bedroom to your right, and as you see, it has blinds in the windows. Those are included, and it has a nice closet space. Here is a bathroom. This is the first one as you come to the right. As you can see, it's very tall. The ceiling's 8 feet at least. So this is a nice bathroom. This is one of the 3 bathrooms that are in this house. Here's that flex room that you first saw. This could be decorated if you had children. Yes, it could be a nice area for them to watch TV, to sit in, and then of course you have the living room for others, or you just have it open here like it is, just another area for people to be in. Here is the second bedroom. Very nice. This is the second one that you come to on the right hand side. Blinds are included as you see. A very nice area. This is the same size as that first one, and again has a nice spacious closet. Now, a bonus that this house has, which is included, is the spray foam ceiling. This helps take the heat of the house down, or in the summertime when you have your air conditioning on. This is really a bonus. It is included in this house. So this is what keeps that temperature down. Now we're going to go through and see the other side. So this is now when you come in and you go to the left, you'll see another bedroom. This one is over on the left side of the house as you first come into the front door. See, about the same size as the others, just a little different layout, as the window, as you see, is on your left side, but closet area is the same, it's carpeted, has the blinds in the window. What we passed here on the left side is the second bathroom. So right across from that flex room, you'll see another bathroom, very convenient. Could be the one you first come through when you come through the front door. The garage is right on the other side, so it's another convenient area. And of course, you walk through now, you'll see a little door there. That is where you can have as a little closet to put clothes in, because the actual unit is on the left hand side. Here's something that's included. That's where you'll see your temperature, and it just shows how it can be energy efficient. Now as we go through, we saw the living room on the right hand side. On the left here is your washer and dryer. This is also included. That comes with the washer and dryer, and in that door is where your unit is for your HVAC. So that is all in this room, and you can, put shelves in there, or you can put other things that you can hold your things for the laundry room. Now we're going to go into the suite here. This is the primary suite, much bigger than all the others. And you see the double windows there, even space right there to have a little armchair, your dresser. Could fit a king size bed in this room, so it's definitely much more spacious than the others. And you'll have your own full size bathroom in here, enough for, as we turn to the left here, you'll see enough for double sinks in this bathroom. And that same tile that you saw when you first came in, which looks like wood, but it is tile, it's also in the bathroom, but not in the closet. So it'll be in the toilet area. And then you see a full size shower. The other two bathrooms do have a tub and shower, but this one has the full size shower and a separate area for the toilet. And your walk-in closet is in the back. And it already has wire shelves, which you can always change, but it just shows how long and deep this closet is. And it does have a little area for a pantry in this bathroom. So very large bathroom. As you see, the little area for the pantry, which will be right there on your right hand side. Again, here's just another view of the bathroom with the double sinks. Your area right here inside the bedroom, just another area for you to look at to see how big it is, and nightstands on both sides. Here's again the area of the kitchen or dining room of the kitchen. You see the tile floor. You can definitely have a nice size table there. That's enough for 6. Perhaps that can even fit 8. Again, on the other side of the island is your dishwasher, your stove, microwave. All that is included. Here is your pantry, and it's a nice size pantry. You can actually walk into the pantry, and then you can see how far up the shelves go, and you can even add more shelves to that. Very nice area for your pantry. Here is just another area that you can store right on the left side of your refrigerator. Stainless steel, again, that is included. Now here's the back area of the house, just to show you how big the lanai is. You can have a table, chairs there. If you wanted to have a grill, only thing you can actually get that screened in later on after you move into the house. But as you see, it is included there. So we certainly want to welcome you for the tour of this Meritage home. And if you would like to schedule a tour, please give me a call, 757-553-8765.